Good morning. We're on Dawn Outdoor Adventures back here at home. Kind of want to show you guys how to make a tripod for your rifle or your, in my case, I'm making it for my crossbow. And I got two blinds, and I bought an expensive tripod, but I had to take it back and forth to each blind, so I decided to make me one. I just cut some small trees, probably about that big around, and about probably 3 foot long, and using a parachute cord and wrapping it around the branches. Later on, I'll make these tips sharper, but this is what I'm working with right here. You got your, like I said, there's the poles right there. They're almost as long as my tailgate. I'm gonna sharpen these in so they stick in the ground better. But I'm just wrapping this up. You tie one of them off right here. You tie it off, and then you just go over and under, kind of weaving it about. I got 4 strips on there right now. I'm gonna do a few more, show you guys how to do it. But if I can get it situated here. But you just take your sticks, and like I said, I'm going over, under, back again, and around, back again like that, come back around and over. And then when I'm done, you want to keep these kind of tight in there. You want to tie it off. So I'm gonna cut that about right there and tie it off. Use this other blade. This is a handy tool. I think they call Leathermans, but more advanced Boy Scout knife, basically. And you just cut that. Yep, cut it. And then you want to tie this last one off here, wrap it around, come in here and tie it. It just saves time and me a trip from trying to go through the woods again with another tripod. This one I can leave in the woods and have it out there when I need it. Like I said, you're just tying it off. You can even put if you wanted to, you could put a nail or something in it to make it not come unraveled, but just for purposes here, I'm gonna try to tie it off here. And you can burn these ends with a lighter to get that white off of there and melt it down so it'll be a nice little knot when you're done. Okay, there it is. You see there? I got me a tripod now. Like I said, you can modify this right here. You can cut these down some, because like I said, I got a crossbow I want to set on there. There you have it. Nice little nice little tripod there. Took me about 30 minutes to make it. And you got your trees, and that's pretty sturdy. We'll go up here and get my crossbow. I'll show you what I'm working with. Be right back. See, I can set my my crossbow in there now and be ready. I built it for when I'm sitting down in my my blind, so it's about level where I want it. I can get right down on it. Steady rest. I'm right there. And there you have it. Building your own tripod out of sticks in the woods. Get parachute cord, and I can use my rifle with this and my crossbow. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. See what else we can build. All right, we'll see you after a while.